Ma'am, bakit hanggang ngayon patuloy pa rin tayo nagsusuporta kay Tatay Digong?
Of course, we're not blind naman about PRRD since nung naging president siya, ang daming nangyari. And then aside of that, yung mga korupsyon ngayon, lumalabas na naman, nakakainis, di ba? In spite of PRRD, no, sa ginawa niya sa ating bansa, ginawa pa rin siyang kawawa ng ating, ngagpa. But anyway, thank you, Tatay Digong, for undying support, your love for our country. We love you so much. Nakakaiyak, nakakabato. So, yeah, thank you. Ang daming I have some friends na nag-change because of you, and thank you, BT. Laban. You are the president. Walang kahit anong gagawin nila. You are our president this 2020. Laban lang tayo. Utang ina. Sorry, Lord. Sorry. Sorry talaga. Thank you, BB, for the love, and stay safe. We love you, and Tatay Digong, bring him home. From Misamis Oriental, Laban.
Salamat, ma'am.